Hello students. Now let's study AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Now this is caused by a retrovirus. Now it has got a protein coating over it, and when it enters the human cells, that is macrophage, it gives away this coat and it enters the macrophage. Just the RNA enters, and it is known as retrovirus because the genetic material is RNA. Now with the help of enzyme, reverse transcriptase, it gets converted into DNA. Now this DNA is capable of incorporating itself in the genetic material of the host, the human host. It will enter the nucleus and incorporate itself. Now it will give its own command of producing more RNA. That is the virus. So now more viruses produced. It works like a factory of HIV. So more and more viruses is being produced. Now this viruses will infect other cells. So they will also, other macrophages, they will also start producing more of the virus. Now it will also affect this helper T lymphocytes. These are the immunity cells. This helper T lymphocyte will produce progeny viruses. More viruses will be produced, which will in turn attack other helper T lymphocytes. So more and more retroviruses are being produced in our body to infect, to destroy our immunity system. So this is acquired immunity deficiency syndrome. Syndrome is having many characters shown due to the infections, and here it is not genetic, it is acquired. This is not congenital, but this is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So here this is how it gets reflected. It gets produced more and more. So what happens to the person? The immunity gets destroyed. There is no immunity system to protect us from the bacteria, viruses, or parasites like toxoplasm. Bacteria like mycobacterium will attack the person and cause fever, weight loss, diarrhea, and all those factors, all those symptoms will appear by these viruses. So it destroys the immunity system. No immunity systems to protect us. So how this disease is known? By this ELISA test. That means enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Now when the doctor comes to know about the disease, they give the anti-retroviral drugs. Now this drug will be prolonging the life for some time. The person might live for 5 to 10 years, and that is the time it will transfer to others also. So how this is transferred? By sexual contact, by blood donation, and this intravenous drug which is transformed from one person to another. Then it might be transferred by blood transfusion or from mother to child. So this is how the transfer takes place, and it can be care can be taken to stop its transfer.